Hi, this is Fleur Allen from Ask Fleur. I'm just doing a quick video because today is the last day, the 11th of November 2024, for Kajabi's amazing 50% off. So I just wanted to explain a little bit about that and encourage you to consider which level you'll start at. So to do that, I'm just going to share my screen to the Kajabi page. Sure. So we've got less than 24 hours, you can see here, for this to expire. I'm in Australia, so whatever time is talked about in terms of time zones will be different to where I am now, but this countdown will be accurate. I'm on the growth level myself. Kajabi, like any software company, does all different types of offers at different times. So when I joined, I think there was a time that was an offer for $99 for 3 months or something like that. So I had a trial period to test it out and work out if it was something that suited my needs. So what I encourage you to do is just to quickly jot down actually what you're looking for. And for me, Kajabi probably covered about 80% exceptionally well, and the last 20%, it's not as great, but they're improving things all the time. I've been on it for almost 6 months now, and it's incredible what upgrades and changes and improvements they have continually made just in the short time that I've been on board. But I've spoken and heard from other users or subscribers that Kajabi refers to their subscribers as their heroes. So I've heard from different heroes about the different upgrades that happened before I came along. What I recommend you do, because if you sign up for this special, then you have that special for the level that you sign up for. So if you're seeing my screen here, say you signed up for basic and in a month's or 3 months time, you decided, oh, actually, I need this level, then the 50% off special, I believe, no longer continues. So what I encourage you to do is to actually go at the level that you want. If I was doing this, the level that actually works for me, because that's the level I ended up going for, was growth. Now, if you look down here, I don't use 15 products, and I certainly don't have 25,000 contacts yet. I do have one website, unlimited emails, unlimited landing pages is all amazing, and 0% transaction fees. So let's actually talk about what the special is. So here it is. I pay monthly, so it's normally $199 monthly. Then here it says 50% offer for the first 6 months, then an $199 month thereafter. So it's 6 months at 50% off. The difference between growth and basic is really the contacts and the products. Now, I probably have about 3 products that I'm using all the time, but I do have other products that I'm testing. I'm probably at the level of basic, but because I want to grow and grow quickly, I opted for growth because that allows me to grow quickly. It's entirely up to you what you want to do, of course. Okay, so I've just stopped sharing the screen so I can see your face or you can see my face. So I just want to explain what Kajabi is replacing for me in terms of other options of other software. Now, I've used all kinds of other software products in previous businesses and they're all great. So if I'm mentioning something now, it's not because it's not great. I've just opted to use Kajabi because my business is now a coaching business, and I think the Kajabi platform is really set up really well for coaching. So the reason is I don't use Zoom, for instance. I use the coaching product. A product in Kajabi can be a coaching product, a course product, a podcast, a newsletter. I think there's about 5 or 6 of them. Those are the ones I use. As you can see, I'm only not yet 6 months in. Anyway, I'm going to focus on just the coaching. I can use it for my one-to-one coaching and my group coaching option. And there's also live a capability where you can attract up to 200 people through your communities. So I don't use that yet. I use one-to-one all the time. So it's essentially this. I'm actually recording this through a coaching product of mine. And so you can record your sessions and you can upload them, so your coachee can just log back in and see the recording anytime after you've had the coaching session. And I use it for my group coaching option. I have a mastermind, so I work with a virtual assistant when we have our group coaching session. So I really recommend that if you're doing a group coaching situation and you're needing to move people in between the main room and breakout rooms, definitely have someone else wrestling with the technology for you so that you can focus on facilitation. So just a tip there. And so she and I work together. So she looks after all the logistics in terms of moving people into groups of 5 or 6 for our mastermind moments, and then for networking either in groups of 2 pairs or 4 or what have you, depending on how many people we've got on the session. I don't use Zoom. Kajabi also hosts my website, my blog. It sends all my newsletters, my emails, my automated email funnels. It is my webpage hosting platform and my landing pages and lead magnets and downloadable PDF products and all those sorts of things, and my courses, everything that I use, and resource pages. I have a private community level for each different level, whether you're a one-to-one client or a group coaching client. This is all in Kajabi, all under one subscription, all one login. So it's one login for me, which I love. But what I love most is it's one login for my clients, in terms of they only have to remember one password and they just go into their membership and their products and select the one that's most relevant. So I've just had a coaching session with a one-to-one client. So we used the one-to-one coaching product, which is my Engage coaching product. And tomorrow night we have our mastermind session. So my one-to-one clients are my top tier premium clients, and they receive everything. So everything that I create, my top level clients receive, they have access to. So she'll log in using the same login and just scroll through her products to the online mastermind. And she's already logged in, just clicks on there and goes through to the call that way. As a one-to-one client, she has access to all my courses that I have currently. And again, all she needs to do is to log in, go find what the course is, such as I've got a Nail Your Elevator Pitch, which is a mini course for public speaking, essentially talking about your business. It's all under one login. So you don't have clients having to search through all their emails to get the current link to log in, which I love. So sometimes it feels a bit clunky for clients the very first time they log in, but we've done a how to log in video, we've got screenshots, so we're supporting our clients as much as possible. And when they log in for the mastermind, my virtual assistant has got all the contact details of those we're expecting, and so she's on the phone straight away to make sure everyone's online. So we're committed to educate our audience to make sure they get on. And our very first online mastermind, because we are committed to really making this a really great experience for our clients, we had 100% attendance for an online event. We also cater for our events, so I think that might have helped as well. But I'm digressing. Going back to the purpose of this video is just consider what level you actually want. And because you've got this 50% off for like 6 months or whatever it is, then go for the high level, I say, because you're getting it half price. So knock it out of the ballpark and just go for it and set some goals in that first 6 months and make sure, by the time it goes to its full price, you're like going, yeah, no problem, I've got the value. And if you're wondering, well, Fleur, you only had 3 months at $99 and now there's this amazing special that, no, I don't have access to this new discount, but For the past almost 6 months, I've had access to this product. They've improved things, they've added things in. I mean, I do all my payments through. I don't have to worry about payment gateways. I don't have to worry about Stripe or any of those sorts of things, and it just goes straight through to my business bank account. And you can set it to daily, so there's none of this waiting for a whole month to wait for the funds that are your own business. With that payment, there's Afterpay, there's Klarna available. I haven't had to deal with setting all of that up. So that's just all comes with this subscription. That saved me time, it saved me money, it's just saves me stress. Go check it out, try it. And if it doesn't work for you, then just, unsubscribe, cancel before you unsubscribe if it's not working for you, so you don't get charged. But I encourage you just to try it out. If you're delivering education online, if you're coaching or consulting or working with people and sharing your knowledge, really check this out, because I use it every single day and it is just getting better every time. Take a look, and if you click on my link, I do get a small commission if you decide to sign up. But in exchange for that small commission, I will share you the resources that I create to get to know Kajabi, and you'll have a one-to-one call with me. We can log on, we can do a video call like this, I'll record it, and I'll walk you through your Kajabi back end. So let me know if I can help, and I hope to see you online as a Kajabi hero.